welcome back. We've made it very far. Now we're onto the final big section of this whole thing, and that's configuring pages. This is the design work that we're going to be doing to get our pages set up and ready to roll. We're going to be saving the templates of our site. This is templates that were set up automatically for us with the template. And the template came with the plugin called Visual Composer. We're going to become very familiar with Visual Composer as we go through this particular section because this is the meat and potatoes of designing each one of our pages of our website. After we're done that, we're going to actually preset all of our pages that existed on the mind map that we had created. So we're going to go preset them. We're not going to design them, but we're just going to get them set up. We're going to set up our menus and all the widgets, the footers and everything how we like them. And then finally, we're going to go back to each of those pages and update the content individually. So that's going to take the meat of the time. We're going to be adding and working with images. To do that, we're going to be using a software called GIMP, G-I-M-P. And that software is free. That was one of the sort of requirements around this course, was to have it as costless as possible, and so we're going to use as many free tools as possible. If you do have Photoshop and you're very familiar with it, you can skip the section on GIMP. And the only key aspect would be around things like resizing images, maybe updating the colors a little bit, just some basic photo editing. Nothing that's going to be what you would normally see in a course on that, but it'll be enough to get you up and running on your website and have it look good. Adding banners and sliders. So we're going to be mainly on the front page. There's usually a banner or slider, how to work with that and Revolution slider. And so we're going to be configuring the website to have the banners and sliders that we want, not the one that comes default. We're also going to be adding contact functionality. That is the contact pages. So we're going to be adding all that, and we're going to test that, make sure it works on our website. And we're also going to make sure Google Maps works. So we're going to be connecting to Google Maps API and making sure those work. Some folks might not want the Google Maps on their site, but let's work through it just in case you need it in the future. We're also going to be setting up and testing the email subscription functionality. This particular template did come with some email subscription functionality, so we're going to set that up and get that working. And then finally, we're going to set up our links to all our social media sites so that people can like your page, things like that, or share page or products and get that connected to this social media aspect.